In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Windows 11 username fast. We're going to walk through a simple method that works well for most local accounts on Windows 11. By the end, the display name you see on the sign-in screen and in various parts of Windows should be updated, without needing to reinstall anything or lose files. First, make sure you're signed into the account you want to rename, and that this account has administrator rights. If you're on a work or school computer that's managed by an organization, you might not be able to change the username this way, so keep that in mind. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run box. In the small window that appears, type Control and press Enter. This will open the classic control panel, which gives us access to the user account tools we need. Inside Control Panel, look for the section called User Accounts and click it. On the next screen, click User Accounts again if you see it. You should now be on a page that shows information about your current account, including your existing name. Here, click the option that says Change Your Account Name. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. You'll now see a box where you can type the new name you want to use for this account. Take a moment to type it carefully, exactly the way you want it to appear. This is the name that will be shown on the sign-in screen and in various menus. Once you've entered the new name, click the Change Name button to confirm. The change usually applies immediately, but you may not see it everywhere until you sign out or restart your computer. So go ahead and sign out of Windows, or restart, and then look at the sign-in screen. You should now see the new username you just set. If the change doesn't seem to show up right away in a particular app or folder path, that's normal. Some parts of Windows cache information and may update only after a bit of time or after another restart. Also, keep in mind that this method changes the account's display name, not the underlying user folder name on your C drive. That's more complex and generally not necessary for most people, and that's all there is to it. You've quickly changed your Windows 11 username using the built-in account settings, with no extra software required.